Hey buddy, welcome to my channel where we unravel the secrets of software development. Today, we are diving into the world of Git branching and merging, the backbone of modern collaborative coding, and I promise it's way less intimidating than it seems. Imagine you are painting a masterpiece or tending to your garden. The key is often the best results come from doing these things without disturbing each other. That's the beauty of branching in Git, allowing you to work on your code artistry separately without stepping on each other's toes. Let's paint this picture together and see how branches in Git make our project's version control a bit easier to handle. These branches, which are like different pigments of colors or garden varieties, allow our development team to bring their best work to the main project while ensuring they're free to experiment and make changes without the risk of making the main project bloom with bugs. They are like paths in woods where we explore without risk of uprooting the main tree. The merge and its merging is like carefully guiding those paths back towards the main without disturbing it, ensuring everything blends perfectly and the forest remains lush and healthy. You see, every time we create a new thread of work, we branch, and when it's done, we merge, essentially returning safely back to the main. It's a beautiful dance to me, and I'm here to help unpack it for you. But hey, why just talk about it when I can show you? I take you behind the curtain of code orchestras working with branches and merging. I'll guide you through the twists and turns, and you'll see how simple and exciting it can be when everyone works together. We'll start with the basics, understanding the types of branches, for starters. We'll take a detour, seeing how the master is the core, always ready for the final touch, and how we create features using other, specialized branches. Remember, this isn't about memorizing technical terms, but about understanding their roles in our beautiful, vibrant world of coding. Now, we've touched upon creating and deleting these branches that we've come to know by now as our temporary friends or perhaps our garden's seasons we create for specific work or fixes. Seeing how they live and braid 00FF1C1B34 and ultimately merge back to our main project is the secret to avoiding code pollution. Think of it as cleaning up after painting. Let's talk merging, how we gently incorporate our new changes back into the main project, ensuring the overall masterpiece doesn't lose its original beauty. And just when you thought there was no more to learn, merge conflicts await, but I assure you, they're small bumps on our path rather than obstacles, puzzles to solve and conquer. It's like when colors mysteriously mix to create unexpected shades. There's a method to our merging, my friend, and it often leads to better decisions for our code, just as in life and art, sometimes a different perspective brings out the best in the masterpiece. And then, for our grand final, we branch, rebase, and merge, keeping our main branch fresh and inviting, always ready for the final touches, to make sure no masterpiece is left with unwanted artifacts. A fresh set of hands or eyes to review the work after the merge is the cherry on top, the final glow of success. This is just a short taste, a peek into our world where Git branching and merging can create harmony, a well-oiled engine where everyone works together efficiently, making sure our project is robust like the mighty sequoias and adaptable like the delicatessen ferns. It's all about creating and maintaining versions of code, and just how we manage our branching strategies can truly shape the outcome of our collaborative journeys. As we wrap up, always remember, the journey with Git is ever-evolving, just like art or gardens, and it's okay to seek help along the way, whether it's me guiding you or finding peers in your community. And for this tutorial, I hope I've unfurled your understanding, and for those eager to continue learning, I invite you down to my digital greenhouse. Be sure to explore my channel, visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe if you want to be part of the ongoing conversation about tech. Until next time, keep branching, keep merging, and keep growing. Happy coding, my friend. Hush, visit Neeraj, hush, subscribe TechLab.